Are you looking to enhance your warehouse's order packing process? Today we're diving into effective strategies to streamline packing operations in your warehouse. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more warehouse management insights. Order packing is more than just putting items in a box. It's a critical step in ensuring customer satisfaction and operational efficiency. Here are some key tips to improve your warehouse's order packing process. Number 1. Sufficient packing stations. Ensure you have enough stations to meet demand, preventing bottlenecks and delays. Number 2. Well-equipped stations. Each station should have the right materials, cartons, and machines for efficient packing. Number 3. Organization and clarity. Keep packing areas organized and uncluttered for smoother operations. Number 4. Proper training. Train your staff in packing techniques, use of equipment, and maintaining orderliness. Number 5. Appropriate carton sizes. Use the right box sizes to protect goods and optimize shipping costs. Number 6. Selecting the right materials. Choose packing materials that balance protection, cost, and sustainability. Number 7. Accurate labeling. Ensure all items are correctly labeled for smooth shipping and handling. Number 8. Embracing sustainability. Consider eco-friendly packing materials to appeal to environmentally conscious customers. Number 9. Leveraging automation. Implement automated systems for faster, more accurate packing. By adopting these strategies, you can significantly enhance your packing process, leading to happier customers and a more efficient warehouse. Remember, the right warehouse management system can further streamline these processes, offering real-time visibility and improved management. Ready to transform your order packing process? Visit cadretech.com for innovative solutions tailored to your warehouse needs. And for more tips on optimizing warehouse management, like this video and subscribe to our channel.